T5 flat furnished in great condition, ready to move in. This flat has one bedroom with fireplace, one bedroom with two single beds with air conditioning, one double bedroom with air conditioning and a balcony, one suite with the double bed and the bathroom with bathtub, one suite with bathroom with shower. It also has a bathroom with jacuzzi, one large living room with lots of light and fireplace, one equipped kitchen with pantry, one marquise with laundry, entrance hall, a corridor with two large wardrobes and a pantry. This flat also has an attic, is equipped with natural gas, fiber optic connection and is situated in the center of the city, close to school and various services. Book your visit now with Imotemplarios.